What's going on, guys? At the request of a bunch of subscribers, I wanted to give an update on what happened to the Jeep in Virginia, or at least what I think happened. Basically, after just a few minutes really with the proper tools and diagnostics, testing this at home, I was able to get it running well again. But then a friend suggested that I try what they call the Keystone mod for this engine. So what that is, there's a valve in the injection pump that tends to fall apart. And what that valve does is it's a case pressure relief valve. So with that not functioning properly, basically the injection pump pressures can be all off, or the way that the pieces were when I took mine apart could have been completely clogging that, causing all kinds of fueling issues. And everything that I had going on was a fueling issue. So I basically attribute it to that. That was the issue. It's been fixed now. The Keystone mod prevents that valve from ever coming back apart. So it's back together now. The valve is fixed. It's not going to happen again. And I feel really good about that repair. By way of just another update too, videos are going to be dropping on Monday afternoon. So kind of the thought behind that for me is sometimes on Sundays I need a little bit of time to polish up my videos before I post them, so I'm not rushing to post them, and also kind of gives you guys that Case of the Mondays little fix that you can watch a weekend adventure on a Monday, kind of extending your weekend into that first, usually slow day of the week for you. So hopefully that makes sense. Hopefully that works for your schedules, that you can tune in Monday afternoons or Monday evenings, whatever works for you, and you'll get to watch the newest episode. I also just want to thank everybody for the outpouring of support that I've received on the new channel, and just the Patreon supporters. Thank you guys so much for believing in what I have going on, for the encouragement that you've directly given to me. And I'm really excited about the channel, where it's going to go, and just everything in the future. Lots of great adventures planned. I'm going to be starting to get into some more of the how-to content and some more technical things, rather than just every single video being an adventure, although the adventures that we go on are going to be just getting better and better. So it's going to be a fun journey. Thanks for being along for the ride.